Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back to one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you if you're trying to open an image on Windows 11 but Photos hits you with this error. As you can see guys in my screen, Photos can't open this file because the format is currently unsupported or the file is corrupted. So don't worry, in this video I will show you exactly how to fix this problem. So first let's see the file is actually broken or not. To check this guys, close your Photos Viewer app, right click on your image, go to open with. From here you need to select something like Paint or Google Chrome from here. So I will select Paint from here. If it open file, so the file is not corrupted, so the problem is from your Photos app. Sometimes the file extension is wrong. It is .png or jpg or web page. So just need to check your file extension, right click on your image, go to image properties. Okay, and from here you need to rename this. Okay, after renaming, just you need to set your file extension. Okay, just give your file name .jpeg. Okay, and then click on apply and click on OK. After renaming your file guys, try to open it again. Hopefully this will help you to fix your problem. If the file is still broken, try an online repair tool like Stiller Photo Repair. So you can get lots of online tool to repair this guys. I will suggest you this repair tool, Stiller Repair Tool for Photos. So just open this official website, just click on plus button and just simply upload that particular image file here. It will convert and it will repair your file if the file was not corrupted. Okay, if the file was corrupted, at that time you can't able to repair this file from here. So you can also try by updating your Photos Viewer app. To update your Photos Viewer app, open the Microsoft Store from the PC like this, and here in the store you need to search Photos app. Search it, and if the app update is available, just simply go ahead update your app. This will help you to fix your problem. So you can also try out some different Photos Viewer app like IrfanView or Image Glass. They open almost anything. Okay, they don't complain. So let me know in the comment which fix work for you, and if you still stuck on that same error, just let me know in the comment. I will try to help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tips. Thank you very much.